natural health for beginners.
How to make saffron gel. Here's a simple and effective saffron gel recipe for glowing skin using natural ingredients, with exact quantities. Ingredients: aloe vera gel, pure or store-bought, 2 tablespoons. Rose water, 1 tablespoon. Saffron strands, 10 to 12 strands. Vitamin E oil, 1 capsule, or 1/2 teaspoon. Glycerin, optional, for extra hydration, 1/2 teaspoon. Instructions: soak the saffron. In a small bowl, add 10 to 12 saffron strands to 1 tablespoon rose water. Let it soak for 2 to 3 hours, or overnight if possible, to release the color and nutrients. Prepare the base. In a clean bowl, mix 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel with the infused rose water and saffron mixture. Stir gently until the strands are evenly distributed. Add skin boosters. Prick 1 vitamin E capsule and squeeze the oil into the gel. Add 1/2 teaspoon glycerin, optional, especially useful for dry skin. Mix thoroughly until smooth and well blended. Store. Transfer to a small airtight container or glass jar. Store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. How to use. Apply a pea-sized amount to clean, dry skin. Gently massage in upward motions until fully absorbed. Use at night before bed or in the morning under sunscreen for a radiant glow. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.